Lesson 9 Friction. Tick the correct options. Friction is a force which opposes motion. Friction is reduced by making the surface smooth. Friction, all of these. Speaks, Spikes are provided in shoes of players and athletes to increase friction. In many machines, friction is reduced by using all of these. Sliding friction is dash than to the static friction, less. Frictional force exerted by fluids is called fluid friction. A flying machine offering the least frictional force should be streamlined. Lubricant of the moving surfaces reduced friction. Which of the following has the least magnitude? Rolling friction. Right, true or false? Force of friction arises due to the force of gravity. False. Friction depends upon the area of contact. False. Rolling friction is always less than the sliding friction. True. Friction produces heat. True. It would not be possible to sit on a chair without friction. True. Fill in the blanks. Friction is necessary evil as several activities cannot be done without it. In some cases, it is necessary to reduce friction. Rolling friction is less than sliding friction. Friction occurs due to interlocking of irregularities in the surfaces. Frictional force that fluids exert on object is called drag. Differentiate between sliding friction and rolling friction. Sliding friction, the friction encountered by an object when it slides on a surface. Example, a book sliding on a table. Rolling friction, the friction encountered by a spherical cylindrical object rolling on a surface. Example, a ball or wheel rolling on the ground. Static friction and fluid friction. Static friction, the friction between a stationary object and the surface on which it rests. Example, a heavy box kept on the floor does not move even if we push it slightly. Fluid friction, the friction offered by fluid when a solid object moves through it. Example, a swimmer experiences resistance while swimming in water. Answer each in few words only. It is possible for us to work without friction? Yes or no? No. Define rolling friction. The friction encountered by spherical cylindrical object rolling on a surface. Which luggage bags are required with wheel? Trolley bags. Why do athletes and mountaineers have spikes in their shoes? Athletes and mountaineers have spikes in their shoes to improve grip on the ground. Give reason. Friction is necessary evil. Friction is called a necessary evil because it is useful in walking, writing and driving, but at the same time it also causes wear and tear of machines and loss of energy. Friction is reduced by oiling and ball bearings. Friction is reduced by oiling and ball bearing because they make the surface smooth and change sliding friction into rolling friction. Friction occurs when two surfaces are in contact. Friction occurs when two surfaces are in contact because their microscopic irregularities interlock with each other, and this opposition to motion creates the force of friction. Answer each in 5 to 6 sentences. Mention any two methods of reducing friction. Two methods of reducing frictions are by applying lubricants, oil or grease. When oil, grease or any lubricant is applied between two moving surfaces, it fills the tiny gaps and irregularities present on the surface. By using ball bearings in machine, instead of sliding motion, rolling motion is introduced with the help of ball bearing. Mention three situations in which it is necessary to increase friction. Here are the three situations where it is necessary to increase friction. First, while walking, friction between our shoes and the ground prevents slipping and help us walk properly. In vehicles, brakes. Friction between brake pads and wheel is necessary to stop or slow down vehicles. Writing. Friction between pen, pencil and paper help us to write. Without it, the pen would slip. What are the two factors on which friction depends? Friction mainly depends on two factors. The nature of the surface in contact. Rough surfaces produce more friction while smooth surfaces produce less. The force pressing the two surfaces together, greater the normal force, weight or applied force, greater is the friction. Does air exert fix on an object moving through it? Yes, air exerts friction on an object moving through it. This opposing force is called air resistance or drag. It always acts in the direction opposition to the motion of the object. For example, on moving cars, airplanes, or a ball thrown in the air. What are the two advantages and disadvantages of friction? Advantages of friction: it helps us walk, ride, and hold object without slipping. It enables brakes in vehicles to work and stop motion. Disadvantages of friction: it causes wear and tear of machines, parts, and shoes. It leads to loss of energy as heat, reducing efficiency of machine. What problems are caused by the heat generated in machines due to friction? The heat generated in machine due to friction causes several problems such as wastage of energy. A large amount of useful energy is lost at heat. Overheating of machines. Excess heat can damage machines part. Wear and tear. Continuous heating increases the wearing out of surfaces. Reduced efficiency. Machines do not work smoothly and their efficiency decreases.